Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Let's Makeover. So in this video I am going to share you 7 day 7 busy boxes ideas which is gonna helpful for your kids. So busy mom, you love the idea of quiet time but you don't want to spend hour setting up that quiet time. So mom, I have created the solution. I make 7 DIY boxes for 7 days. You have to repeat those boxes for other 7 days. That can be easily made and mixed and matched with dollar store items. So you have everything mom that you need to make all 7 DIY boxes. One DIY boxes have 5 activities for kids. So friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel Let's Makeover and hit the notification bell icon to upcoming more videos of Let's Makeover. So friends, let's get started. So friends, let's start with Monday box. In this box, I keep 5 activities. In the first activities, I generally used to keep some small toys with popsicle and pop stick like this. This is the chopstick and this is colorful pop stick. So kids can make zoo or house or jungle with small toys with the help of popsicle sticks. So it can build their imagination power. So you should introduce this kind of activity. So they keep them busy. Also you can add some small toys so it enhance their imagination power. So this is very useful activities for kids to keep them busy. And here is second activity. In this activity I used to keep for cutting material like for cutting purpose like colored paper, scissor, scale, pen, pencil. So they can draw the shape and then they cut them. So this is for cutting purpose and it enhances the cutting skills. So this is the second activity. And third activity is color matching activity. For this I make this board and with this colored clothespin. I colored clothespin with a sketch pen and draw the colored fruit in the color pattern. And here is fourth activity. Fourth activity, so you can see some short diaries and with colored sketch pen, crayons, so they can draw whatever they want. And this is the last fifth activity. So here is a ice tray and some beans, so they can transfer these beans with the help of spoons. So this activity to keep them busy and it is enhance the fine motor skills in your in the kids. So in these 5 activities which is very easy to make them at home, so you can make easily. So these 5 activities for Monday. You should introduce these activities for your kids. So friend, this is a Tuesday box. In this box I used to keep 5 activities. You can see this alphabetical letters and this is the pouch filled with the rice. I mix with alphabetical letters in the rice pouch so kids search these letters to enhance their searching activity, observing activity. And here is the thermocol with the toothpick. So I inserted the toothpick in this thermocol and like this. So so kids love to play them. And here is kind of small cutting straws and you can play with like this. So your kids love to play them and this kind of activities keep them busy for long hours, so you can make easily at home. And this is totally DIY activity, so you can make very easily. And this is the for lacing activity, beads activity. You can make a bracelet or any kind of bracelet what you want. And this is the fourth activity, puzzle activity for toddlers. I draw some sketch cartoon in this pop stage so they can solve the puzzle. And so this kind of activity is very useful for brain boosting in your toddlers. So you should make them at home in a very easy way, and it kind of puzzle make them busy also. And this is the cube puzzle, and it also keep them busy. So this is kind of 5 activity, and it is for Tuesday box. So friend, this is the Wednesday box. In this box I used to keep 5 activities. This is the whiteboard. With the whiteboard I used to keep colorful marker. With the help of marker they can draw whatever they want. So this kind of activity keeps them busy in a longer way. And this is the plastic cups. I write the A to Z alphabetical letter in these cups, and it is very interesting activity with the help of alphabetical letters, so they can match and mix with those cups. So this is kind of busy activity for kids. And here is piggy bank. I introduced these piggy banks in the birthday gift ideas for toddlers 3 to 5-year-olds. And here is clay with some clay tools. So piggy bank, you can post some coins in these boxes, and clay, with the help of clay they can make useful things with the help of clay tool. And there is rubber band activity. They can make bracelet with the help of colorful rubber in this way. So these ideas keep them busy for in a longer way. So there is kind of 5 activities which keep them busy. So this is the Wednesday box. This is the Thursday box. In this box you can see there is 5 activity. This is the paper plate and with pasting tools. So in this box I used to keep some glue, scissor, glue sticks, color paper, or some kind of glue. So they can make a pasting activity. They can cut the shape with the help of scissor and paste in the paper plate. So this kind of activity is very interesting for the kids. And this activity, second activity, here is the lacing activity. There is kind of smiley with some kind of holes, so they can lace with the help of this ribbon. So this idea keep them busy also and improve the concentration skills. And this is the third activity. This is for toddlers. This is 1 to 10, and here are some stickers. I keep the stone sticker. You can add some circle sticker also, so they can stick the stickers according to the numbers. So this kind of activity for toddler to seek them the numbers. Third activity is for coloring purpose. Here you can see coloring sketch, watercolors, color pencil, and some drawing books. So these coloring skills improve your kids into the coloring and keep them busy. So there are 5 activities. These ideas make them kids busy. And this is the Friday box. In this box, this is the cupcake making. There is cupcake making tray, plaster of Paris, all kind of colors. And this idea I introduced in the birthday gift ideas for toddlers, so you can see them. And this is the flashcard with the marker, so they can trace it. And here is the rubber band activities. So this is the kind of tool like this, so they can They can play with this activity with the help of rubber band. This is the activity for toddlers and they keep them engaged in busy. And this is a colorful straw. I cut them into the small pieces and with the help of thread they can make long beads also. So this idea keep them busy. So this is the Friday box. So this activity is very easy to make and there is totally 5 activities which keep them busy into the whole day. In the Saturday box I used to keep some balloon activity. With the help of balloon pump they blew the balloon and keep them busy. So you should introduce these balloons and I also keep some flash torch at especially at night. They love to play with this torch and keep them busy. If you buy some this type of torch, you can see the description box in below. And here are some stickers activity. Kids love to play with stickers. So I introduce some kind of stickers you can buy those from market and it is very good activity to keep them busy. And here are some popsicle with the help of paint stick. You can paint this popsicle like this. So this idea is very good for your kids to keep them busy. And this is for bubble purpose. So kids love to play with bubbles. So this kind of all 5 activity in the Saturday. And then time to the last Sunday box. In this box I used to keep some family boards game and this is the fishing rod game. They can catch fish with the help of rods. And this is the colored petal. With the help of stick you can draw any colorful item. So this is the interesting thing. And here is you can see slime, colorful slime. Kids love to play with slime and they busy with 1 to 2 hours with this slime. So this is the enough for the Sunday activities. So friends, this is all Monday to Sunday activities. I hope you like these ideas. So mom, you can feel good about having some quiet time yourself, knowing your little ones are playing and learning on their own. So busy mom, I hope you like this idea and you make these DIY boxes for your kids. So if you like this idea, please share with your friends and family members and please subscribe the channel Let's Makeover and hit the notification bell icon to upcoming more videos of Let's Makeover. And please share with your friends and family members. So mom, thank you for watching video. Take care. Bye bye.